slanging the thousands of black died in the hurricane. It's made in America, made in America.
Let's go.
Crack babies, black slavery and HIV entered in the late 80s. Made in America, made in
This one right here.
Anyway, we're going to be installing this light, the integrated tail light, and what's special about this light is it is direct plug and play, supposedly. So supposedly these are supposed to hook right in. I know this one definitely hooks in, but so we're going to get this one in there, change the old one out, and see what happens. I've been riding without it without back turn signals for like a week, so we're gonna get into it now. We're gonna get into it. All right, so first thing we need to do is we need to remove these sides, and we're gonna get that done. Take the seat off, get all these pylons off, and then go from there. Okay, so now I gotta figure out, I gotta get all these back. I gotta figure out all this. I put all this stuff up. And I gotta get it all back out.
A few moments later.
All right, so we got everything buttoned up. Just reinstalling. I was recording on the GoPro earlier, but the battery looked like it was gonna die, so we got everything buttoned, lined back up. Let's take it off so you can see. So, there we go. It's all buttoned back up. New light is installed. Everything works correctly. It looks good. And then just gotta button up the rest of this, put the seat back on, all that good stuff, and we're gonna be done. All right, let's finish this up. Is that not too tight? All right, so we got the seat cowl back in, or the lock mechanism. Not gonna do it too tight, just finger tight. 2 more push pins and kind of hold it in place. One. 2. Then we come back over here. Seat cowl back on. Oh wait, hold on. Oh yeah. This part you might not be able to see on the GoPro because I have a head mount on. But put that piece in. Same thing with this side. Put this screw back in. Once we get that in there, now we can grab our seat, put that back on. It's got those hooks under there, so you just want to make sure you hook them back. There it is. Take our big bolts, put those back in. Again, finger tight, finger tight. And that one's in there pretty good. Now for this, it does come with like some Velcro on there as well from the factory. And it has one on here on the frame or the tank. You just line it back up. You got some push grommets here as well. They don't come out, you just push them in. It's pretty easy. Make sure it's buttoned up. Push the wrong one in first. Make sure this one's in. There we go. Last bolt. Button up the side. Pretty easy. Pretty easy peasy. Again with this side, same thing. I'm gonna line it up. Last bolt. Got the last bolt here, everybody. Now that one, since it's your side fairing, you don't want to do it too tight, but tight enough. And bam, that's it. That is it. That is it. It's back on there. It's looking good. Tail lights on there. Looking good. Yeah, it looks good with the smoked one, man. I was really kind of hesitant about it for a second, but then I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. I think it came out really, really good. Anyways, that's pretty much it, man. So appreciate you guys watching. If you did, maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't. I don't know. But pretty easy. Doesn't take long at all. And you save yourself some money by instead of taking it to a shop, they have them do stuff like this. learn how to do it yourself, save yourself some time. Well, a little bit of time maybe, but you definitely save money.